Take a moment to check out the 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Now is the perfect time to start a fresh new chapter in your traveling life. Take a closer look at this vehicle. Its design and features represent an outstanding value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, active suspension, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes with choosing quality and efficiency. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.